Are you a freelancer looking for tips on setting up a productive workspace? Look no further. In this video, we'll provide you with valuable advice on organizing your workspace to boost your productivity as a freelancer. Let's get started. Tip 1. Keep your workspace clutter-free. A cluttered desk leads to a cluttered mind, so make sure to keep it clean and tidy. Arrange your supplies, documents, and equipment in an organized manner, allowing for easy access when you need them. Tip 2. Utilize proper lighting. Good lighting plays a crucial role in maintaining focus and reducing eye strain. Position your desk near natural light sources, like windows, or invest in a quality desk lamp to ensure optimal lighting conditions. Tip 3. Create a dedicated workspace. Designate a specific area solely for work-related activities. This separation helps establish a clear boundary between your personal and professional life. Tip 4. Invest in ergonomic furniture. Your comfort is essential for ensuring productivity. Choose a comfortable chair that provides proper support for your back, and consider a standing desk option to switch up your posture throughout the day. Tip 5. Personalize your workspace. Add touches that inspire and motivate you, such as plants, artwork, or meaningful objects. This personalization will make your workspace feel more inviting and help boost your creativity. Tip 6. Minimize distractions. Eliminate potential interruptions by turning off notifications on your phone and closing irrelevant browser tabs. Consider using noise-canceling headphones or background music to drown out external noise. Tip 7. Establish a daily routine. Create a schedule that allows you to dedicate specific time blocks to your work, breaks, and personal activities. This routine will help you stay focused and maintain a healthy work-life balance. By following these tips, you can create the perfect workspace as a freelancer. Stay organized, be comfortable, and remember to take breaks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for freelancers like you.